Hi, my name is John Millette, and I am the owner and president, founder of Main Street Mortgage. And I'm here today to talk with you about mortgage financing and what I can do to help make the mortgage financing process a little bit easier for you. You know, it's interesting that the change in the guidelines for the mortgage industry has been dramatic. For example, 5 years ago when I closed a loan or got a loan approval, there would be maybe 5 to 10 conditions that were required to close the loan. Well, today that's been expanded to between 35 and 45 conditions to close a loan. And so navigating through the loan process, getting a loan approval for mortgage financing is much more difficult than it used to be. But it doesn't have to be as difficult on the client. It doesn't have to be as stressful on you as the person who's getting the loan. It really comes down to who your loan officer is. That's a big part of it. Also, the other part that is really important about home financing and about buying your home is the way that people look at their home ownership. And that's why I've written a book recently called Mortgage Money Secrets. And in this book I talk about 3 distinct ideas that are really important. And in fact, I'm so passionate about these, that's why I wrote the book. The first concept is that home ownership is a sacred trust. If you hold it as a sacred trust, then you'll do good things with your home. For example, if you think of it as something special, then you're less likely to go out and get a second loan or line of credit on the property. There's a much better chance that you'll do what you need to do to protect your interest in the property so it can provide for you financial abundance in the future. The second aspect that I talk about in my book is the idea that homeownership can empower a marriage relationship or a relationship with your lifelong partner. And that is really a key concept, because if you have the objective to pay off your home over the long term, it will create the cement or the glue that's necessary and help in a relationship. For example, I've been through hundreds of signings for loan documents at the close of escrow. And I'll have 2 couples, couple A and couple B. Couple A will come in and they'll basically sit down and sign the loan documents. And the first comment when they sit down is, you know, we're never going to be able to pay this off. But yet couple B comes in and they say, you know, we're not only going to pay this off, but this is something we're going to leave as a legacy for our family. And we're going to work together to pay it off. And the question is between couple A and couple B, which one of those couples do you think has a better chance of being able to be married for a longer period of time or to stay together in their relationship? Well, my experience is based that couple B has a much better chance. And the reason that they do is it's an implied assumption that because they're going to pay off their home, because they're working on an objective that is bigger than they are, something that they have to work together on as a couple, it's an implied that they're going to be together for a long time. And I believe that those particular couples have much better chances of a better relationship over the long period of time. And how you handle your mortgage really ripples out to how you handle your finances, which ripples out to your overall relationship. And so the 2 concepts, that homeownership is a sacred trust, and that it can empower your relationship is a really big advantage. The third thing that I talk about in my book, or the third aspect is that you don't have to be breathing through a straw at 29,000 feet in order to get approved for a mortgage. It's not that tough if you're working with somebody who's competent. So go ahead and click on the link, put in your address, click on submit. You'll get a free chapter of my book. It's the first chapter, and it's my compliments to you, something that I want to give you an idea of these 3 concepts to really help you. And if I can do anything to help you, please call me. My phone number is 818-874-9900, and I'll take the time and help in any way that I can. Thank you, and have a great day, and good luck on your transaction.